So in our last video, I colored my hair and promised that I was going to do daily check-ins just to document how the color held up over a 1 week duration. So that's why we're here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ezinne here. This video is a sequel to a video titled I Tried Temporary Hair Color Again. So if you're yet to watch that one, you may not understand what this one is about. So I'm just going to link it in the cards for you if you have not watched it. But if you watched it, let's go on. So guys, I'm not sure how my brain failed to remind me that I had made such a huge commitment to document the progress of this temporary hair color and how it performed the entire time with my daily check-ins. I absolutely forgot. I'm not even joking. And save for these videos that I randomly shot for Instagram story on these 2 and 3, I wouldn't have had any evidence for those 2 days. But anyways, I documented my experience for the remaining days in the week, and here's my summary. So hey guys, this is what the hair looks like on day 4. The color is still very intense, very noticeable, just like it was on the first day. And aside the color transfer, I haven't had any other ugly experiences. So it's just the color transfer on my fingers, my clothes. I wore this white shirt out today and have a look. See how red my collar area is. That's the only issue I can place a finger on. Besides the color transfer, everything else is going great. So my hair doesn't feel dry at all, and I haven't remoisturized since the day I applied it because I know I'll need water, and that's just going to worsen the color transfer that I'm already experiencing. And it still feels very, very, very soft to the touch, which is a good thing. And yeah, that's about it for day 4. So I'm going to do a day 5 tomorrow. So I'll come back to quickly show you what day 5 and day 6 look like before I wash this off. Okay. Hey guys, it's day 5 now, and my experience hasn't changed. It's still the same normal appearance and too much of color transfer. So I think I'll just hold on until tomorrow, which is going to be day 6, and that's almost a week, and I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like before I go on to wash this off. So, and I'm not going to be wearing my hair down today because I don't want it changing the color of my shirt the way it did yesterday. So I'm going to probably have my hair in a double bun. I'll be sure to insert a picture, but that's if I wear it in a double bun. Okay, so see you tomorrow. So it's day 6 today, and I just thought to include how I take down the bands in the morning and fluff my hair before going out. So I'm just going to do that now because see guys, I cannot wait to wash this hair color off as soon as I get back from my friend's place later today. All my hairbands look red. So annoying. So my hair is actually starting to feel dry, finally. I thought that was not going to happen. So, given that I haven't remoisturized since day 1, I feel like it starting to go dry on the 6th day isn't such a bad thing after all. I think my hair is out of frame. Okay, I need to lower this bit. Okay guys, now that I'm done fluffing, it's time to pick. So guys, here is a look for the 6. I also want to correct something that I said about these 4 and 5. So in these 4 and 5, I'd actually thought the color was still intense, but that was because I was simply looking at my mirror, right? But after I compared it to what my hair looked like on the first day, I realized that the color had actually faded out. I mean, why wouldn't you even feel it's been transpiring, and literally everything has come off on my hand or my bonnet or my pillowcase or something. The color actually didn't remain as intense as it was on the first day, but I didn't notice it until I started editing the video. So yeah, just that. So if you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to respond to each and every one of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you guys know how the color messed my white up the other day, so that's why I decided to throw on a jacket. So this is a great tip if you're going to wear bright colors. When you have this on, always make sure that you have something to protect your bright color clothes from the hair, or just wear your hair up, whichever one. Yeah guys, I'm tired. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.